Flashing red beacons that often symbolize a brute display of power on the roads. But the Badals seem bent on spreading the Lal Batti culture. Now mayors across Punjab are going to be allowed to display the red beacons on their official vehicles.
This decision has been taken by the Deputy Chief Minister himself, where he said that the mayors would be allowed to really put on red beacon. Now the Supreme Court had passed a judgment on red beacons. It has overruled it. They are planning to bring a notification. We were there with the Transport Minister and asking the Transport Secretary also. He said that in principle the approval has been given.
It's a symbol that's often misused and resented by ordinary commuters. But with Badals out to perpetuate a culture that mocks the ordinary citizens, the Congress is opposing the move.
These kind of beacons must go, and I think so the coming governments, every single person wants these beacons must go, because they are promoting a culture which is of the British era. Now we are 70 years in independence. People are not looking forward to that kind of beacon or VIP culture. They want that their representatives, the government representatives, should act like commoners.
Even the Aam Aadmi Party is questioning the Badals.
Mr. Badal is actually on his way out, and he is now alluring all sorts of different kind of people. And Mr. Badal should withdraw this order. This is totally, grossly illegitimate, illegal, and in violation of the basic spirit of the Constitution, and also that this is against that you are trying to create a class in India. We cannot have different people and different classes. This is only promoting VIP culture, to which people of this country are absolutely opposed.
They have been in power for a decade, but when they sanction the spread of Lal Battis, it only signals how out of tune Badals have become. Bureau Report, Times Now.